Hello, hello, hello. It's Chieftain here, down at White Oak Lake, Madison, Virginia. I'm going to give you a little outline of the land here. So, I can still... Oh no, the rock is completely gone. A floating dock looks like it's still attached down there. But, it looks like all the beaver dams are completely covered. So we either have a bunch of dead beavers or they're out roaming around. Well, you walk down this way. Well, it's not as epic as the 1995 flood, because I remember the spot it came up to in 1995 like it was yesterday. But we're talking about 7-foot water levels. If you see those 3 trees sticking out over there, that's a small island that has a little bridge. Oh. And those trees, they're a good 20 feet tall. So that's like 10 feet of tree covered. So 6 to 10, maybe 6, I don't know. I really have no clue how tall this is, but I know there's a good amount of trail missing down here. And, well, actually, no, in 1995 it must have come up about this high. Well, I remember by looking at the spillway on the dam was underwater in 1995. And if this rock was still here, the rock starts at the last tree there. That's where the rock sticks out. That last tree there. And the rock is like 6 feet above water. The rocks sticking out here are like a little cliff wall. And you can see where the trees are out there. So thankfully this dock hasn't floated away yet. I'm guessing whatever it's tied to, this is my mom's dock, is just like barely hanging on. I mean, the one line is slack, the other line is still taut, so I'm not sure what's what. But yeah, this usually goes out past that tree about 20 feet. So during the 95 flood, it came up to this tree root right here. So let's estimate here. I mean, it stopped raining completely. Hasn't rained in a good half an hour, 45 minutes, and the water slowed a lot. That's coming down the mountain, like an avalanche coming down the mountain. Well, let's see here on this side. I mean, see, so the water level came up to right there.